What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got some breaking news for those that are following, invested, thinking about investing into Terra Classic. Now, don't mean to cause any FUD here. Just got to keep y'all updated with all the latest news so you can be a better informed investor. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. So breaking, Interpol has issued a red notice to locate and arrest Terraform Labs co-founder dogecoin. So let me let y'all see this as well. This is absolutely crazy. So we seen that, he responded initially to the rumors of, him having an arrest warrant out and say, he's not on the run. We talked about it in that video. I'm like, hey, if we got, local, your hometown authorities looking for you and putting out a warrant for you, you're technically on the run, no matter what you say about it. Even if you feel you may not be guilty, but that's still on the run. So let's see. Let's take a look at the actual article. So this is, could definitely be affecting the price. Where did that go? Okay, so they just linked the entire website. Okay, let's take a look. Let me find that article. Okay, so sheesh. Okay, so it's content locked, so they basically got it. You have to pay in order to read the full article, but it says the description we can see is South Korea said Interpol requested law enforcement worldwide to locate and arrest fugitive Terraform Labs co-founder dogecoin. So that is absolutely major. Of course, there's a lot of individuals who will be afraid of that, and think it will translate into the coin, to the coin. So there's gonna be some fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So you can expect the price to pull back from that. Now, if you're somebody who's long term in the project and you believe in this project, then of course this is a prime buying opportunity. Now, do not get me wrong. I'm not saying go bet the house on it. That's not what I'm saying. But if you want to throw something small at it, like coffee money, dollar cost averaging into it, your position over time, then there's nothing wrong with that. It's a 15% discount right now on the day. If you are buying at higher levels, then you definitely might want to take advantage of this to bring your overall cost down. Now, of course, we're taking a look at volume. Volume is up 34%. So we see a lot of shaking and moving happening right now. Let's take a look at some of our indicators. Of course, we got first up our Bollinger Band. We know that 95% of the time, 90 to 95% of the time, the price wants to trade within this range here. You see this upper level here where the candles ride it on this upper blue line and the lower blue line here. So you see once the price kind of tapped up here, it really had a nice breakout. So when we see it really bullish, it's going to ride this upper Bollinger Band. But then after we seen it, kind of stall out or, start to get some decent selling pressure, it traded or trended downwards until it made its way down here by the lower Bollinger Band. So this is a good buying area in this range. Those who caught in at that 18 level, good work. But also we can expect that it can pull back further. We haven't got those doji candles really falling in yet. A doji candle in a downtrend signifies that a trend reversal is likely to occur. So we're looking at the downtrend starting from underneath this mid Bollinger Band. The mid Bollinger Band is used as a support or resistance area within this range. So once we know the price is trading under here, this is a resistance area essentially. So essentially the price is having a hard time breaking above this range here, right along this middle Bollinger Band. Once it starts to retest this area, breaks out of this area and comes back down to test it as a support, then we know the price is likely to continue its way up this way. But None of this is financial advice. Of course, do your own due diligence. We can tell that the price is, if we look at the RSI, maybe oversold right now. Okay, so it's at a 41, so it still has a little room to go further. We know that a 35 and below is considered oversold, a 70 and above is considered overbought. But right now, you are getting a cheap price. The better, or the closer you can get the asset to these lower Bollinger Bands, the better your price you're paying for it. You're getting a better discount. The asset is considered more expensive as it's trading at this upper Bollinger Band, and we're likely to see people take profits around this range. So I'm keeping this one on my radar. I will be, throwing some coffee money at this one, buying a dip on it. But, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just, I understand my risk tolerance and, what type of play this is. This is a risky play, so you have to treat it like that. So overall crypto market at $924 billion, almost down 1%. We got Bitcoin at 18,874, Ethereum under that 1,300 level now at 1296, down 1.8% on the day. BNB sitting at $273, down 0.5%. XRP is the only coin right now that's looking good. 49 cent, up 2% on the day. This is one that we will be talking about more on the channel, so make sure you subscribe if you're interested in learning about XRP or just hearing more and following what's going on with XRP. So Cardano 44 cent, down 1.4%. Dogecoin sitting at 6 cent, down 2.3%. Solana at $32.56, down 3% right now. We got Polkadot at $6.32, down up almost 0.5%. Polygon 74 cent, down 2% right now, down 1.8% for the week. Shiba Inu is holding this 1100, the 1100 level, down 2.6% right now. So just interesting seeing how the market is performing right now. We got a lot of overall factors like inflation, CPI data weighing on the market, also speculation on the China markets, the housing market, a lot of different things weighing it out. But this is why, it's best to be a long-term investor. Not saying you can't have those shorter trading strategies where you're day trading, swing trading, or scalping, but you also want to understand that you're in this for the long run. So shout out to all y'all for pulling up on the channel. Appreciate y'all. We are out.